Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at Axway Amplify Fusion and how we can override a method in an API proxy. So we've looked at how to proxy APIs in Amplify Fusion. So if you don't recall how to do that, go take a look at the video on proxying an API. In this case, we've got the petstore API that's been proxied. And you can tell because none of the methods are linked to anything. And Fusion is simply governing the API in this case with API key security, but it could also be other forms of security like OAuth, and I can have transport security, and I can also have rate limiting, and I can set up cores. So this is the petstore API, and if I call it from Postman, you can see that it is working. And let's say I wanted to override one of the methods and do my own implementation. So that's what we'll cover in this video. So let's deactivate our API, and let's come to the get-pet-by-petid, and let's link an integration to that. And the integration will be get-pet. We'll do get-pet-by-petid. And that will create my integration, and I can come in here, and now I can do my own implementation. Now we'll just do something simple. I'll add a map artifact, and I'll expand this, and let's take a look at the output. Let me look at my 200 output, and let me set the response header to application JSON. All right, let me also set the status to 200. And again, all this is just to represent me doing my own implementation. And for the ID, what I will do, I will just pass that in from the path parameter. And the rest of this we can kind of make up. So the category will be dog. And let's say the name set value is Fido. And let's leave it at that. Let's come back here. Let's activate the API. And recall that when we were proxying, it was a cat, and the name was dog, and the status was sold, but now we are going to see our implementation. So the category is dog, and the name is Fido. So what we saw in this video is how easy we can override a method of a proxied API by simply clicking on the icon and linking an integration. Thank you.